for the last few years. You know this young man. What's your name? Tell the people.
James Brown.
James Brown. You probably remember him from many years ago. I covered a surf competition in Monrovia. How old are you now, James? 6. Jesus Christ. So when I met you, you were like maybe 10, 11. And he was the smallest one there at the time at the competition. And he was doing headstands and out surfing everyone. So James, say your full name.
My name is James Brown.
And how old are you, James?
12.
You how old?
12.
12. And they say you are Liberia's youngest surfer? When did you start surfing? At what age did you start surfing?
I was 6 years old.
6 years old. And who taught you how to surf?
Elijah.
Elijah? And where is Elijah? He's from Robertsport?
Yeah.
And you're from Robertsport, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite trick that you do that people love so much?
But I think when I be in the wave, again, I will put my head in the board before being in the water.
So you can do a headstand.
Yeah.
And how did you learn how to do that? You were just in the water one day?
That one guy showed me it.
One guy showed you it.
You are doing it, and I look at it, and I do it.
And you just did it. You have that much talent. So what do you want to do in the future with surfing? You think you're gonna surf for the rest of your life?
No.
No? What do you want to do then?
I'm going to be a player.
You want to be a player? Or a football player? Yeah, so you got skills on the soccer field too. So this has become my little adopted troublemaker here in Robertsport. And he's honestly one of the biggest surfers I've seen, and I think the future of surf in Liberia. He's troublesome, but I love him very much, and I'm here in Robertsport this weekend, and he told me that his board broke, okay? So I'm here to appeal to you guys for the coolest 16-year-old I know, Mr. James Brown. Yeah, baby. So James, your board broke, right? And this is what you do. So tell the people why you think they should donate to you to get a board, a new board.
I want for the people to help me to myself too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, you guys hear the appeal? We're here in beautiful Robertsport. James Brown needs a board, so we're gonna help him out. So I'll leave the details on how you can donate. But James, you're gonna show us some of your moves, right?
Yeah.
All right. How y'all do? What a handshake? The fisherman or the surf people handshake in Robertsport. Y'all got one?
Do it good.
All right. Okay. Let's do it again. Go on. I think I learned that already. All right.